Hi, my name is Richard, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about CitruLift before actually buying the product. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about CitruLift supplement is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video and also fixed in the comments. So what is CitruLift and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The formulation of CitruLift Instant Eye Lift Serum is carefully crafted to provide a holistic solution for multiple eye concerns. The blend of powerful ingredients works synergistically to tackle eye puffiness, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, and fade dark spots under the eyes. With consistent use, this serum promotes a tighter, smoother, and more youthful-looking eye area. The ingredients used in CitruLift Serum have been selected for their potent healing and rejuvenating properties. Peptide complexes, an essential component of this formulation, stimulate collagen synthesis, a key process for restoring the skin's elasticity and reducing the visible signs of aging. These peptides help to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, restoring a more youthful and vibrant look to the eye area. Thousands of people have already had incredible results with CitruLift. I invite you to see some real testimonials on the official product page. For best results, the recommended is the purchase of at least 3 bottles. My personal recommendation is the purchase of 6 bottles, which comes with a big discount. Do not lose more money with expensive procedures and products that do not give any results. Make a test with CitruLift and see the fastest and easiest results of your life. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use CitruLift 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.